My mama people be watching this. How y'all doing? My mama friends be watching me, trying to see. And I love y'all for that. Y'all get that neck. Make sure you get your neck. Cause y'all don't get y'all neck. Neek, come get your baby. Cause baby, he is coming like a wrecking ball.
Dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for every. And wash me over until my will runs dry.
What's up, my Lena babes? Welcome back to the vlog. It's your girl Iamlenamariah. If you're new to the freaking channel, ladies, y'all, you see the freaking title, you know what's finna go on. You finna get ready with me for this gala, how you say gala, there it go, y'all. So you see my eyebrows I already did, lashes I already did, y'all. I'm wearing minks and they holding on for dear life. Like, I need a fill-in on this side the most, but I put some mascara on it. Hopefully that made it do what it need to do. Y'all, you hear noise. My dew in the shower, so I closed the door a little bit. Hopefully you don't hear that water. But let's get into this get ready with me. As I stated, my brows I already did, lashes on. Normally when I wear minks, I don't put eyeshadow on due to I don't want to, like, I don't want to deal with scrubbing it all, messing up my lashes. Just too much. So I might do a little something, but not too much. But I'm gonna put my foundation on and get that started. I already got my wig cap on, as you can see. I'm wearing my go-to wig. Y'all, if y'all ain't seen that wig review, go check that wig review out. The affordable wig for you baddies. That's what I'm wearing tonight, because baby, I'm just gonna slap it on. So when I get done, I can slap it off, because that motherfucker go on and off. But y'all just a talking. I ain't even tell y'all subscribe to the family, like this video, click this bell, know if I'm posting new freaking videos. So yes, let's get into it. So y'all, normally I would put on my Fit Me powder, color 360 mocha, but since I want to like really put some foundation on, I'm gonna actually put on my, I don't even know where it is. Hold on, let me come back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. So I'm gonna put on my NARS in the color Manius. I think I'm saying it incorrect, but check the link down below. It'll let you know the type of foundation color I wear in NARS or whatever. So y'all, I'm just gonna put a little some, you know, a little drip, whip with a beat. I don't need too much, cause I don't want like a full face, but I do want a full beat or whatever. So we're gonna do what it do. I'm smelling it, cause I'm trying to figure out what I use this brush for. I don't remember what I used the brush for. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just use the concealer one and call it a day, because baby, I don't know. And y'all, I'm using y'all as a mirror, honestly, cause let me find a mirror. Hold on, cause it's kind of hard looking at y'all as a mirror or whatever. Let me go put a little bit more foundation on my arm, so I can just be ready. Found a mirror. What that got to do with me? So y'all gonna put on her name. Let's get this face on. Oh, you got some new shoes, didn't you? You finna like go outside the door? Y'all, why I look orange? I look orange. Let me see. Let's get this light together. I still look a little orange, don't it? I look orange, y'all. I don't know. I think it might be the light, or it could be the bath. These things are going bold. Y'all, get what? My vanity came. I'm so ready to do a house tour with y'all again, like a second house tour, because the first one didn't go well. I got a new place now, y'all. I'm excited. I got a new place, and I'm very excited because I get to be in my house. I'm almost done getting everything together to move in. Due to I don't have Wi-Fi, meaning I cannot work from home, so I have to be at my grandma's house to work right now. But once the people come out, get my Wi-Fi together, and I get my work desk sent over, get my monitor reset up, I'm be lit. Y'all, get that net. Make sure you get your net, cause y'all don't get y'all net. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Go Sheila. Y'all look orange. I think it's really the I don't know if it's the camera or is this the light. Oh! There we go. It could be the light, y'all. I don't fucking know. I'm just cussing. I don't freaking know. Freaking. My mama people be watching this. How y'all doing? My mama friends be watching me, trying to see. And I love y'all for that. Cause y'all be subscribing and watching my videos. So I love that. I need a fill-in so bad, y'all. Look at it. But hopefully it's not noticeable. Y'all let me know if it's noticeable. I don't think it's noticeable, but then again, I could be lying to myself to make myself feel better. So y'all let me know if it's noticeable. Comment down below if you believe my eyelashes are noticeable. Just the eye with the less lashes on it too. And I need to stop bothering. It bothers me so bad, y'all. Try to leave it messy so it can look more fuller. You know how like lashes look fuller when it's messy? Gotta get a little foundation under that eye. Oh, I done pinched myself. Something wrong with me, y'all. Something wrong with me, but look. Make sure you get under your eye too. Y'all be having bags because your girl don't sleep. I got a bag right there. You can barely see it, but it's there. It's there. I'm gonna hide that bag. I wish I just had a bag. You give me money, a bag. But I got bags. Bags under my bags. How you get bags under your bags? I need to get some more sleep. Because baby, I'm not sleeping enough or something. I don't know. I'm low-key happy my lashes are already on, so I ain't gotta fight to put them on. Also happy I already did my brows. But I'm gonna start like doing my brows off camera so to make the process easier, even doing my lashes off camera. But I feel like it'd be easier to do it on camera because if I do like a style with the concealer, not the concealer thing called, the black stuff. Y'all, I can't think. I'm kind of bloop right now because I'm trying to get ready. Once I think about it. Y'all, let me tell y'all. So, I'm going to a gala as I told y'all. And I ordered this rose gold dress. Beautiful. Like, beautiful. Thank goodness it was on sale for Cyber Monday. It was like 80% off. Like, the dress was originally like, I think it was like $80, $50, $60. I don't know. But I only paid $30 for this dress. Beautiful. Like, beautiful. I paid an extra $17 for express shipping to be here within 2 to 3 business days. The website also stated that the dress was going to be here on the 1st of December. You guys, it's the 2nd and the event start in another 2 hours and my dress still not here. So these folks would be lucky. I had a birthday dress that I wore, and I don't believe I took pictures in it. If I did, y'all just gonna have to see that dress again because that's all I got. And I ordered the dress and I made sure I paid extra so the dress can be here on time, but Fashion Nova lied. And then tell me why I wrote them and told them I want a refund because they didn't deliver the dress the time frame they said it was going to be delivered. And also, I just want a refund. What am I gonna do with that dress afterwards? But I thought about it. So I might just keep it so that if I do have a, another event, I have a dress. I already have a dress, and it was $30. You can't never go wrong with a $30 dress, and it's a nice dress. A different story if it's like a rinky-dink dress, but it's like a real good dress. So why not keep it? But I still want a refund for express shipping when I didn't get express shipping. I got regular 3 to 7 day shipping. I looked at that thing. At first it said December 1st, and I looked at the tracking. I looked at it again, then it said December 2nd. So okay, that's fine. I can get it within the time frame. Then I looked again. That thing said December 5th. Fashion Nova, F you. How about that? F you and give me my refund because y'all been slipping. Y'all been slipping on these deliveries. Like, it been a different store. I did regular 3 to 7 or the standard. Standard's 3 to 7 business days. I paid extra money so that I can get it within a time frame. And y'all play with me. Y'all wanna play with me like that? Why would you wanna play with me like that? And y'all, I didn't do my sponge with water this time. Somebody on TikTok said try like drenching your brush that you use to blend your concealer in with your finishing spray. So I'm trying that to see how it works. I'm saying how they ain't done. All you hear is my house yelling at that baby. Y'all, we got the baby tonight. And he is a handful. My sister can come get her baby. Neat, come get your baby. Because, baby, he is coming like a wrecking ball. Dun, dun, dun. All you hear, stop that. Come back. Come here. Stop that. Come back. Come here. That's all you hear. And he looking like, who y'all talking to? Y'all know y'all ain't talking to me. Y'all how that baby acting like he just know y'all ain't talking to him. Because y'all know he the golden child now. I ain't the golden child no more. He's the golden child, so yeah. And y'all, we gonna blend in that. What is this? Oh, it's a piece of hair. Maybe. Okay. We're gonna blend in the rest of that concealer with my little concealer brush. Because I feel like I'm getting concealer on my lashes. So normally my lashes go on last after I do this. So we're gonna use my little brush. And I don't even give, I'm not even gonna tell y'all the number. Like, it don't even got no number. It's just it's a filtered cheek brush, y'all. And I'm using it as a filtered concealer. It's a concealer brush today. But I just needed to blend all the way in. I need to be blending in my skin. Blending! Blending in my skin. Y'all, I'm crazy. I'm excited. I never been to a gala before, so I'm excited. But I don't know what to expect. I was looking on Google, like different like gala events or whatever, y'all, and they was dressed nice. So hopefully this birthday dress is nice enough for this gala, because the dress I had was gorgeous. Like, it's a gown. Gorgeous. Hopefully it still come before 7 o'clock. If it don't come, I'm gonna be so highly upset that I'm gonna wear that birthday dress. But I'm gonna wear it because I'm grateful for what I do have. Cause like, I thought about, what if I didn't have that birthday dress? What would I wear? Like, what would I have worn if I didn't have that birthday dress? So I'm grateful for what I do have. Cause it was so bad. I would put some red on that gala. Cause the colors, y'all, are like pink, blue, silver, like those type of colors. So I want to do rose gold because rose pink is like the best color. It's sparkly. I'm not trying to I'm trying to look like I'm the best look there, best dressed there. I'm gonna put on a little fur coat, but it ain't even cold outside. Like, I got the dress cut though, gonna be cold. It'll be perfect, but it ain't cold. I got a fur jacket. It's not even gonna be cold. So my night is already going bad, but at least my makeup gonna be cute. At least I look good. All that matters, it look good. I'm still alive. I'm still in my right mind. I'm still breathing. Y'all don't know why I look orange, but it look really good though. Look really good. Tommy gonna call me out. Da, 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 da. Y'all, now we're gonna put on this little, I was gonna do like a 2-tone concealer, but I don't feel like it. Don't have the time or the patience to deal with that. So we're gonna go with the 1-tone. It looks pretty good. We're gonna go with my HD setting forget powder. This stuff thing rug proof. What's a rug proof? But it say it's proof. It's proof. So we're gonna proof. But y'all, how y'all weekends going? Like, y'all, it's almost Christmas. I don't have a Christmas tree, but it's a lot. It's a lot. Then y'all, my rent went up. I got higher rent than I previously had. I'm just blessed that I'm able to pay my bills. I have a great support system where I didn't have to be homeless. Like my family. Why are you looking at me?
That's what I'm doing from this lives already.
What is that?
The light stuff.
That is not her color. That's
light.
That's dead people colors.
No, I believe if you mix with just a little bit of yours and you'd have a. Come on.
Hey, what you eating?
Cream potatoes.
I see that on his face. Okay.
Let's go.
That was a short intervention. I think intervention. Is it called an intervention? Like a concession? I don't freaking know. I can't even think, y'all. Like, my mind is so, y'all, my mind is everywhere right now. So excuse me for not being able to think of words right now. Like, I really, like, my mind is not here. Like, I'm here, but my mind is not here. Cause I'm so overwhelmed. Like, I'm overwhelmed. I'm stressed out. Nothing is working for today. Only thing that worked out, I was able to paint my fix my nail because the kind of the paint came off of it. And I'm gonna do the other side once I finish my makeup. That was the only good thing that came out today, and I'm just alive. So I'm very fortunate because some people didn't wake up this morning. So I'm gonna be thankful because somebody did not wake up today. So I'm gonna be thankful. I'm gonna be very thankful. Y'all, my camera finna die. Let me finish my makeup, and once the camera charged back up, I might just do it on my phone and call it a day. So y'all be back once I finish my makeup, and hopefully my camera will be at least on 50% once I come back. Okay, so I see y'all. What's up, my Lena Bays? Your girl is back, makeup done, little soft beats, you know. Got the, you know, I got the the auntie wig on tonight. You can't tell me nothing. I'm ready. Outfit of the night will be there if you have not already seen it. So we finna vlog this whole gala, whatever how you say it. So I'm finna bring y'all with me.
Yeah, come on, cause they said
y'all ready to come on? Y'all ready to come along? She in the background loud. I did her makeup cute too. Hey y'all. I did her makeup really cute. Let me turn the light on so y'all can see.
Oh, I tell you, these folks sit on play sale.
How y'all doing? So did her makeup, mine's done, hair done. Shirt, we fixed them curly fries on the head, and we ready. We is ready. Come on my side.
Some people go around the world for love, but they never find what they dream of. What you won't do for love. You try everything you gonna say, but you won't give up.
Y'all put me for cheese. They get loose with it. Say hey to the vlog. Say hey to the vlog. Now the day you look pretty, you don't want to say hey to the vlog. No, I don't move there right now. I got you guys. It look cute.
You might get the wrong angle. That looks bad.
Okay, there it is. I can't hit the back.
You said what?
I can hit the back.
Thank you.
Learning. I need her to learn.
I just gotta learn to do my eyebrows.
Great as hell. You been crying. So y'all, I know I forgot to close the vlog out yesterday, but I'm gonna go and close the vlog out today. I know I look crazy, hair tied up. I'm getting ready for bed. So you guys, hope you guys enjoyed that little vlog of hanging out with my mom at the gala. Just getting a little cute, showing you how I get ready to go on, you know, on different events or whatever. But if you guys enjoyed the vlog, continue to watch this channel, like this video up and click that bell, know if I'm posting new freaking videos, and I'll catch you in the next freaking vlog. Peace.